So in today's video, we will show you how to perform the Preuse check. So before doing the Preuse check, we need to connect the air and oxygen hose. Make sure the filter is vertical. And the power cord also. It should be routed through the clip. Then turn on the DC switch. Turn on the AC supply. Next, turn on the gas supply and check if the pressure is sufficient. It should be between 3 to 6 bar. Take out the expiratory cassette and check if the diaphragm is present and there is no contamination or crack in the cassette. Also check if the diaphragm is very clean. It should not have any dirt or contamination on it. Next, connect the patient circuit into the ventilator. Make sure the occluder is tight and every connection is made very tight. It is recommended that if you are using filters in the patient circuit, like we have to use the expiratory filter, and if we are using a HME filter as well on the YPs, so it is recommended that you put these filters during the Preuse check in the patient circuit. Similarly, if you are using humidifier with the ventilator, make sure you have connected it. Single limb is connected, the dual limb circuit is also connected, and there is the filter and expiratory, and then you perform the Preuse check, so that it captures the compliance and resistance of the entire circuit, including the humidifier. Now turn on the machine and press system check, and press start Preuse check. Press OK. So as you can see, all of the Preuse checks have passed. Now this time we are using a faulty patient circuit. There are cracks in the patient circuit connector, YP's connector here. So we'll do the Preuse check on this circuit now. So the Preuse check is over. So as you can see, the patient circuit leakage test has failed and the expiratory module, expiratory valve test is also failed. This is fully open position. Now I will close it. Make it partially open. The Preuse is complete. These are the tests which I have failed. Galvanic Preuse cell is also failed. This time we will simulate the condition of a faulty occluder. So this occluder is having some leakage because of some quality issue in the part. The patient circuit leakage and the expiratory valve test, which is related to leakage, again has failed.